Problem 13. A spotlight on the ground shines on a wall 12 meters away. So here's a spotlight. I can use red. Here's a spotlight. Here's a spotlight. And the wall is 12 meters away. Okay. This is a wall. This is 12 meters. A 2-meter tall man. 2-meter tall man. Walks from the spotlight straight towards the building at a speed of 1.6 meters per second. So this one is moving towards the wall, right? And the speed is 1.6 meters per second. The man's height is 2. How fast is the length of his shadow on the building decreasing? So we can imagine now this is the length of shadow. Let's call it L. It's the length of shadow. Right? As you can imagine, if this guy moves here, then the length of shadow will decrease, right? So it will decrease at what speed? The air decrease at what speed? That's the question. So we know the speed of this guy. Then what's the speed of this shadow decreasing? Okay, at the moment when he is 4 meters from the building. So in general, let's just talk about the speed of these shadows decreasing. Again, you have to figure out the relation between L and this guy, right? So let's call this part X. Let's call this part X. This part is the distance between the guy and the spotlight. Let's call this X. So what's the relation between X and L? How can you use an equation to connect them? Right, we've realized there are similar triangles, right, and similar triangles. So 2 over X, right, 2 over X, it should be L over 12. Right, it should be L over 12. Okay, because these two, they are similar triangles. Then you want to know the speed, right? You already know dx over dt is 1.6. You already know this. So you differentiate both sides in terms of t. Here is a chain rule. It's negative 2x squared dx over dt. This is 1 over 12 dl over dt. Okay, so this is the equation between x and l. By differentiating both sides, we have the equation connecting dx over dt and dl over dt. Alright. So we know this dx over dt is 1.6. Right. We know the moment when he is 4 meters from the building. So the moment when this guy is 4 meters from the building, so x, the distance between this guy and the spotlight, it's 8. Right. So x here it's 8. Then you sub in. It's negative 2 over 8 squared times 1.6 equals 1 over 12 dl over dt. Right. So your dl over dt, it is negative 0.6. Okay, it's negative, which is reasonable because the shadow is decreasing, right? So its speed, it should be a negative speed. Okay. Let's see if there's any mistake. Right, I think this part is correct.